Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, as well as the coordinator, PG Department of Commerce, Fakirman University, Basavihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, today we are going to discuss the very interesting and the vital topic, what is the basic difference between the cost accounting and the management accounting. So friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. JENA classes. So far as today's discussion, definitely that is the BCom and the BBA as well as the MBA and other related subjects. So today's discussion will be very useful and fruitful. So friends, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, without wasting our valuable time, without wasting our golden time, let's start today's discussion. Friends, once again, today's discussion is what is the basic difference between the cost accounting and the management accounting. So friends, here you will get the more points, the basis of comparison between the cost accounting and the management accounting. Friends, I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video. Definitely you will get more basis of comparison. The first one, basis of comparison, is that is the meaning or definition. What is the meaning or definitions of cost accounting, as well as what is the meaning or definitions of management accounting. So it's the popular definition given by CIMA, that is the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London. According to the CIMA, the definitions of cost accounting is the application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods and techniques to the science, art and practices of cost control and ascertainment of profitability. It includes the presentations of information derived therefrom for the purposes of managerial decision making. So this definition has been given by CIMA, London. Similarly, according to the definition given by CIMA, London, the definitions of the management is management accounting is an integral part of management concern with identifying, presenting and interpreting the information used for formulating the strategy, planning and controlling the activities, decision taking, optimizing the use of resources, disclosure to shareholders and other external to the entity, disclosure to the employees and safeguarding the assets. So this popular definition has been given by the CIMA. So second one, basis of comparison is objective. What is the objective of or main objective of cost accounting? The main objective of cost accounting is to ascertain the cost, to control the cost and to provide the information for decision making. Whereas the main objective of the management accounting is to provide the useful information to management to take the important decision. So next one, basis of comparison is scope. The scope of cost accounting is not to include the tax planning and tax accounting, but the scope of management accounting is to include the tax planning and the tax accounting. So next one, basis of comparison is that is the preparation. Cost accounting is mainly prepared on the basis of some rules and regulations as prescribed by Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Friends, so you have to remember, in ICAI, I stands for Institute, then C stands for that is the cost, and A stands for accountants, and I stands for that is the India. So you have to remember, where the management accounting is prescribed without adopting any particular rules and regulation. So it is prepared as per the requirements of the management in order to take the important decisions. So next one, basis of comparison is a basis on the by taking or on the basis of the on the basis The cost account is mainly prepared on the basis of past information and less emphasis is given for future, whereas management accounting gives the emphasis for future by taking the past information. So next one basis of comparison is useful. Reports of cost accounting are useful both for internal and external parties of the organization. So internal parties, friends, so they are the employees, they are the management, and external parties, so they are the creditors, supplier, customers, government. So whereas the reports of management accounting are useful only for the internal parties of the organization, so mainly, so they are the management. So next one basis of comparison is reports. The reports of cost accounting are prepared for cost audit purposes as per the some prescribed rules and regulations given by ICAI as well as the Companies Act, and sometimes the direction as per the directions of the government. Whereas the reports of management accounting are prepared not for the statutory audit. So next one basis of comparison is that is the data derivation. The data are derived for cost accounting from the financial accounting or financial accounts, but the data are derived for management accounting from both financial accounts and the cost accounts, or the data are derived for management accounting from both the financial accounting as well as the cost accounting. So next one basis of comparison is that is the evolution. The cost accounting evolves due to the limitations of financial accounting, whereas management accounting evolves due to the limitations of cost accounting. So next one basis of comparison is the statutory requirements. The reports of cost accounting are maintained to comply the statutory requirements for selected industries or selected companies as per the notification of the government from time to time. But the reports of management accounting are maintained purely voluntary in nature for the use of internal management of the organization. So next one basis of comparison, it's that is the aspect for planning or planning aspect. So cost accounting is mainly for short-term planning of the organization, whereas management accounting is for both short-term as well as the long-term planning of the organization. Next one basis of comparison, it's the dependence. So cost accounting does not depend upon the management accounting system, but the management accounting depends upon both the sound cost accounting system as well as the financial accounting system. Next one basis of comparison is the principles. Only the cost accounting principles are used or followed in where cost accounting, whereas the management accounting follows both the principles of cost accounting and financial accounting. So next one basis of comparison is types of information. Cost accounting mainly focuses on information related to cost, whereas management accounting mainly focuses on both non-financial and the financial information to take the strategic decisions. Last but not the least is also the important basis of comparison. It's a recording of data. Cost accounting uses both past and present figures or data of the organization, whereas the management accounting deals with the projected figures or data for future of the organization. So friends, so these are all about today's discussion. So I am hopeful that so you have learned a lot. So before concluding our discussion, I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming examination. So I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in comment sections. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly you subscribe it, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it. So thanks a million to all of you.